to achieve that height, they put a 400-foot spire on the top of the building, which I think is cheating if you're going for tallest building in the world award. But nobody asked me, so they're going to keep the Western Hemisphere title. So with a telescope, he would dictate letters to his wife to deliver to the engineers on site a couple times a day. Eventually, the engineers started writing back to his wife, Mrs. Emily Warren Roebling, and she became the acknowledged director of the Brooklyn Bridge at the time it was complete. Party on the rooftop celebrating their success, and uptown they saw the spire of the Chrysler building being raised up into the air, and they were like, oh, so much for that. King Kong's Jungle Gym, and after those submissions, it was concluded that the public could not be trusted with such a task, so it remains named TBD the vessel, to be decided the vessel. You can still climb up to the top of the vessel if somehow on your day in New York. On the left, there's a building with a gold pyramid on top, which is the New York Life Insurance building. Insurance is our fourth largest industry in New York after real estate, high tech, and finance. And the gold spire next door is the MetLife Insurance played baseball game. Hoboken is 1 square mile, and for being 1 square mile, it has the most bars and churches of any square mile in the United States. So there's a lot of drinking and a lot of praying going on in Hoboken. And on a Wednesday afternoon, it's at its peak. There may be as many as 12 million people on the island of Manhattan. They're coming all kinds of ways. We have bridges and tunnels, the New York subway, a red, white, and blue building, or excuse me, a red and green building lit up with a gold statue on top. That's the Dinkins Municipal Building. The gold statue is called Civic Fame, the largest statue in Manhattan.